Global Services is an international and domestic freight forwarder and logistics company. We offer a full portfolio of transportation logistics services via air, ocean, and ground. We're also a U.S. licensed customs broker, and we offer various four-wall and warehousing logistics services. We basically manage the entire shipping process, point A to point B, and everything in between, whether you're shipping across the street, around the state, or across the globe. Mach 1 is celebrating our 30th year in business this year, and we knew that we wanted to celebrate this milestone with something big. We knew throughout the year that we're going to be doing a lot of different marketing campaigns and initiatives. And in talking to BPGraphics in the past, they had mentioned doing a kind of promotional trailer wrap. So we thought, what a better idea than to wrap a trailer with our 30th anniversary promotional logo and do something different, because in our world and in the freight and logistics industry, our trailers are really our moving billboards. So it was kind of a no-brainer. We've worked with Jeff Fisher at BPGraphics. He's been our account executive for a few years now, and he really makes working with BP and makes any type of project we're working on really easy, really seamless. He takes care of all the behind the scenes details and makes our lives a lot easier, and delivers a great product. So when it came to installation day, Jeff and the BP team were on site here at Mach 1, and I was called down, and we didn't quite realize that there would be reflective stickers and decals on the side of the trailers, which is something we didn't take into account when we delivered the specs. So the BP team and Jeff handled it quickly. We addressed it, we figured out a solution, and it was just a minor blip in the process. They got it reprinted, resituated the logo, and nobody would have known any better. We've had such great feedback and so many compliments on the Mach 1 30th anniversary trailer and our new moving billboard that we are strongly considering wrapping another one just to put in another area of the country for additional exposure. And we're definitely going to be calling BPGraphics when we're ready to do that.